Hey, Mizzy, that's perfect. Yo,
up close to wipe the blood with my handkerchief. Feet up, probably watching old gangster flicks. Let my brain run loose when I think of this. Float on air to the booth, then I paint the shit. They stole my flow and ad-libs, but that ain't my shit. She cooked for me, we made love, but that ain't my shit. I told Youngin bite the case, but he ain't gon' sit. He want a dark low feature, but we ain't gon' fit. I'm on some other shit.
feature with none of you niggas. Y'all niggas ain't on my level. Other shit. I'm in a different zone. Some other shit. This shit is timeless. Other shit.
I'm more like a move maker. I'm like the new Lakers. I'm verified, no check, but like the blue paper. Shorty say she all natural. She don't do makeup, and she ain't never see a gangster play Anita Baker. I thank God for new life. Every day I wake up. You should be in jail or dead for the space you take up. So loyal to the team, even take the pay cut. Then I eyeball the Harlem. I ain't had to wait up.
125. I hit it on the nose. I'm cooking. 5,000, homie.
I sent producers drumming at you, no email. My man had a problem, I was riding, no details. My eye was clean 5 months, then she derailed. A 5-minute shootout like the movie, I was Denzel. He told on everything, he had a weed cell. Cops searched my car for what he said was a weed smell. But the stash box was great, through the seatbelt. V-Don don't really need it, but I still give his beats help.
I give his beats help. Hey, V-Don, you don't need it though. I be helping this shit.
Cut his head off, it's the cartel. I'm Marlo, take a nigga corner like he barks down. The dick of piss in his face like I'm Markel. Co-defendants full y'all, and y'all all tell. SK a nigga, watch him do a cartwheel. It's dark low, they say he harder than a windmill. I ain't even spazzing yet, I had been chill. The flow worth 10 mil, I could've had 10 deals. In the field with your men, you know how that feel? Hunting for a nigga, we ain't sleeping till he get killed.
Hey yo, as far as this underground shit go, I gotta be leading the league in all statistical categories. It's low, it's low, it's low, it's low, it's low.
Up close to wipe the blood with my handkerchief. Feet up, probably watching old gangster flicks. Let my brain run loose when I think of this. Float on air to the booth, then I paint the shit. They stole my flow and ad-libs, but that ain't my shit.